Max is a loser. Why are you even raging out here for no reason? Hey, Christmas is over. Who's Mo? Max, you were like 2 feet away from me and you missed.